Hello there, this is Sophists Inside, and welcome back to a brand new video. And today I'll be introducing you to the new coding language, which is JavaScript. Okay, so what is JavaScript? So, JavaScript is the functionality used to design the page with basic instructions to maximize the whole web page. JavaScript is a very powerful tool and it's a high level scripting language. So JavaScript is is a very powerful tool and it's used for creating functionality to make the web page more interactive. This is an example what JavaScript looks like in this picture here, but this is more complex. I'm going to show you the basics on JavaScript and many more other functionalities. Okay, so what can JavaScript do? So the first bit here, it can change the HTML content, which is true. It can change the HTML attribute values. It can change the HTML styles as well. So including CSS, also can change the action, the way it looks, and the functionality. And also, as I said earlier on, it can make the web page interactive with action. So what do I mean by this? It means that it will make the web page and can have lots of buttons and functionality, making sure that it works well without any problems. And the final bit is it allows to design elements such as weathers, maps, and calculators. Well, soon in the video we'll be doing some mini projects, including a map, calculator, and weather, and many more other projects to create for, so that you can get the basic understanding of JavaScript. Okay, so here is the roadmap of JavaScript. I'll give you the full roadmap, link in bio, if you want to find the detailed version of this roadmap, along with resources, including CSS and HTML. Okay, so let's create a folder. So index.html. Cool. So let's add the snippets of the formatted page and put JS intro. Okay, so we created a HTML folder and a CSS style sheet. And since there's no JavaScript, we would need to create a JavaScript file. So to do this, you click on new file and type in, this time use script.js. And now we have now created the JavaScript folder. So this time, to link the JS folder, we'll use the script function. So script, and click on the SRC relationship key. So that's the UI. And then now we put script.js. So now here's the link. So now we linked out the JavaScript, and let's always link out the CSS as usual, because we be using the CSS in our JavaScript videos. Cool. So we linked out the CSS and JavaScript. Okay, so let's create a line of code in JavaScript. Let's do console.log. If you want to display a hello world, I will recommend you to use console.log and set of parentheses Then display this one as hello world as a string. Use a semicolon to close the tag. Cool. So let's display the hello world tag. And then if we wanted to see the console, you would this time use will right click, inspect element, and click on console, and hello world has been now displayed. There we go. Okay, so let's create a different text. So it's to console.log. Let's create a different text. Let's say my name is John Smith. Cool. And as you can see here in the console, or it displays a text. Say my name is John Smith. Right, cool. Let's display this time a window alert. So window.alert. So you spell alert. Window alert. Let's say your computer is connected to Bluetooth. Cool. Let's refresh. And the computer says that your computer is now connected to Bluetooth. That's cool. Because we use a window reference and the alert as a method. And we set the parentheses. Inside the parentheses, we set the value to your computer's connected to Bluetooth using a string. Let's add a comment in JS. To add a comment in JS, you would control and use these comments. These are the comments. So this is a comment using a slash as well. But if you want to write like a multi-line comment, then I would recommend to use the slash and the asterisks. And this is a multi-line comment. Cool. Okay, so let's create a text in JavaScript. To create a text in JavaScript, we'll create a h1 tag. Let's say, and also create a ID this time, and let's specify out the ID h1. So this is how you create a class in JavaScript. So you specify using ID and name that ID to any class. So h1. And then next, once you create a ID class, you'll then need to use this command called document.get element by ID and use a pair of parentheses and a string and specify out that class, which is h1. So use dot and specify the out. Next time using text content, text content, and we'll specify a string called hello world. Cool. And there we go. Now we have specified the text and place that into the web site instead of just specifying that in the HTML, but using the JavaScript command. This is it for the video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit a like. If you're new, subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss a video. I'll be uploading more JS content and projects using HTML, CSS as well. This is your boy. I'm out. Peace.